Welcome to this presentation on effect of metal-based additive on performance emission and combustion characteristics of diesel engine fueled with biodiesel. This research was conducted by G.R. Kannan et al. And published in 25th May 2011. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Biodiesel, derived from waste cooking palm oil, presents a sustainable alternative to diesel fuel, offering reduced carbon monoxide, total hydrocarbon, and particulate matter emissions. However, it typically exhibits a slight increase in nitric oxide emissions and can have lower thermal efficiency compared to conventional diesel. Prior research has explored various metal-based additives to address these limitations. This paper precisely investigates the theoretical contribution of ferric chloride as a fuel-borne catalyst, relaxing the assumption that biodiesel's inherent combustion properties are fixed by proposing an in situ catalytic oxidation mechanism. The study produced biodiesel from waste cooking palm oil via alkali catalyzed transesterification. Ferric chloride was selected as the fuel-borne catalyst after stability tests showed its complete miscibility and long-term stability compared to nano, CuO, CuCl2, CoCl2, and CuSO4. A dosage of 20 micromoles per liter was chosen, as higher concentrations, specifically above 20 micromoles per liter, led to unacceptable copper corrosion, exceeding the ASTM 1V limit. Experiments were conducted on a single cylinder, direct injection diesel engine Kirloskar TV1 at a constant speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute under both standard and previously optimized operating conditions for waste cooking palm oil biodiesel. At optimized operating conditions of 280 bar injection pressure and 25.5 degrees before top dead center, the ferric chloride added biodiesel demonstrated substantial improvements. Brake's specific fuel consumption decreased by 8.6%, and brake thermal efficiency increased by 6.3% compared to biodiesel without the catalyst at the same optimized settings. This lift is primarily driven by the addition of the FeCl3 catalyst, as shown in the Performance Characteristics section 4.3. Carbon monoxide emissions were reduced by 52.6%, total hydrocarbons by 26.6%, and smoke by 6.9%, relative to biodiesel without FBC. The observed improvements stem from the catalytic effect of ferric chloride, which forms high-valent iron oxo species, specifically FeV equals O, in the combustion chamber. These species act as oxidation catalyst, enhancing hydrocarbon combustion. While the FBC-added biodiesel achieved significant reductions in carbon monoxide, total hydrocarbons, and smoke, it exhibited a 4.1% increase in nitric oxide emissions and a 6.7% increase in carbon dioxide compared to biodiesel without FBC at optimized conditions. However, the nitric oxide emissions remained 11.3% lower than those of conventional diesel fuel at standard operating conditions, and carbon dioxide was only 2.1% higher than diesel. This study concludes that ferric chloride at a 20 micromoles per liter dosage effectively improves the performance and emission characteristics of waste cooking palm oil-based biodiesel. The catalyst significantly reduces brake-specific fuel consumption, carbon monoxide, total hydrocarbons, and smoke, while maintaining nitric oxide emissions below those of conventional diesel. A key limitation reported by the authors is the slight increase in nitric oxide and carbon dioxide emissions compared to uncatalyzed biodiesel, necessitating further development. The paper suggests that future work should integrate emission control components like particulate filters and catalytic converters to address these remaining nitric oxide and particulate challenges.